Hi, it's James, aka Batman Fan, back with another banger. This is going to be a unboxing video, something I bought on Sports Direct, because on the Saturday the 16th of July I bought one Slazenger Aluminium baseball bat, which was Slazenger Aluminium baseball bat set. I picked them up on the 16th of July. So here we go. This is what it looks like, just in case. I'll put it down for a minute while I just open it. Hopefully it does. I'm just trying to think how to actually open it at the moment. What I can do, I'm not sure. Nope, it's not realise it. I can just take off. Oops. I don't think I did need to do that, did I? Oh. I might do that again. Or maybe. So this is the baseball that we've got, and now we need to open the baseball bat a bit. We got to the end nearly. I think we have almost. And this is what we're left with. If I hold it that side. Oops, if you can see that. Sorry, just hit the wall. Oops, hit the wall again. If you can see that. That's what it looks like at the bottom. And that's obviously the bottom. of the baseball bat, and obviously that's at the side, one of the sides, and then we go all the way down to there, and obviously that is the top. The usual schnizzle. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, please comment on the video too, share the video if you like. Just leaves me to say until the next unboxing on Batman Fan, just leaves me to say peace, 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 peace.